Hello everyone, my name is Paras Naita. My registration number is TRK 19 CS 122, and today our topic is about branch and bound. Branch and bound is a general algorithm for finding opaque solutions of various optimization problems, especially in a uh, discrete and combinational problems. It consists of a systematical enjoyment of all candidate solutions where the large subset of rootless candidates are dis- discarded discarded altogether by using upper and lower estimated bounds of the quality being opaque. It is if we picture the subproblems graph, then we form a search tree. Each subproblem is linked to its parent and eventually its child. Eliminating a problem for further consideration is called as puring or furming. The act of bonding and then branching is called processing. A, a a subproblem that has no yet been considered no yet been considered and is called as candidate for processing. The set of candidates for processing is called candidate list. Going back on the path for the node or to its root is called as backtracking. uh, the types of the types of branch and bond are FOIL, FIFO branch and bond, then LIFO branch and bond, next LC branch and bond. Now we are going to see about the program. Include which std c++ using namespace std structure item float uh, flow wait float wait sorry int value structure node int then again we have to open bracket int level profit bond, then again float weight and close the function. Next bring cmp item a item b, then open bracket double r1 equal to double a dot value slash a weight, double r2 equal to double b value slash b weight, return r1 uh, greater than r2, int bond node u int n int w int array. If u dot weight is greater than equal to w, return 0. Return 0. Int profit bond equal to u of profit. Int j equal to u level plus 1. Int to t weight equal to u dot weight, while j less than n and t to weight plus array j dot weight less than equal to w to t weight plus equal to array dot weight profit and profit bond equal to profit bond plus array j value j plus plus and close the function. Next, if j less than n, profit bond equal to profit bond plus w minus 2 weight into array j of value by divided by array j weight. Next, return profit bond, close function. Next, int knapsack, int w, int array, int n. Sort array plus n, cmp q, nod q, nod u and v, u dot level equal to -1, u profit equal to u profit, u weight equal to 0, q push u, int maximum profit equal to 0, while q, while it is not equal to q empty. Then open the function u for u equal to u comma front u dot pop. If u dot level is not equal to -1, v dot level equal to 0. If u dot level is equal to, if v dot level equal to 0, if u equal to level equal to n minus 1, continue. V dot level equal to u dot level plus 1, v dot weight equal to u dot weight plus array v level weight, v profit equal to u dot profit plus array v level dot value. If v weight less than equal to w and v profit greater than maximum profit equal to v profit, v bond equal to bond v and w array. If v bond is greater than maximum profit, q push v weight equal to u weight, v profit equal to u profit, v bond equal to bond v n w array. If v bond greater than maximum profit, q push v, close the function, then return maximum profit, close. Int main, open the function, int w equal to 10, item array equal to 2 comma 40 comma 3 dot 14 50 1.98 comma 100 5 comma 95 3 comma 30. Int n equal to size of array by size of array 0. See out Balasnehita Yoakia 19 CS 1222 / n. Next line, see out maximum possible profit, knapsack w array n, return 0. By this I completed my code. Now I'm going to execute it. By this we got our code Balasnehita Yoakia 19 CS 1222, maximum possible profit equal to 235. By this I completed my program successfully.